Nanginginig na kami sa lamig. Thank you, Lord. Hi guys, we are currently suffering for hypothermia. Oh, di ba ito? Hindi, gusto ko yung mga building. Ito ba? Hindi yan ba, yung mga building, yung mga ganitong style, oh, yung mga barko-barko na, yung TST ang style. Hi guys, we are here at TST, Mongkok. We are looking for, Narkata yan ba?
Hindi, I mean yung design ba?
Yung design is parang TST, yung dagat, yung may building, ganon. Or building. We are looking for some souvenirs.
Kailangan ko talaga ng mga bag. You so many times.
Yung mga ganito sanang style be, oh. Ay, hindi pala siya naka-play. So we are here now in Diamond Hill. It's a long way train travel. And we finally managed to get over. Sorry. Ba't ka ba nagmamadali? Para kang may flight. So, yeah, we're going home now. Our last train travel. Uwi ka na.